Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and I just got the brand new Alpha Outpost Scimitar Box in the mail. So I figured I would let everybody experience the unboxing with me. I haven't looked in the box yet. Obviously it's a blade-related box, but it's called the Scimitar from Alpha Outpost. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So as usual, some nice packaging with the box. All the Alpha Outpost boxes are going to come with a patch, so I've got a No Mercy for Thy Enemies patch with a knife on it. That's pretty awesome. Looks like a fighting knife, USMC fighting knife. Got some information here: how to baton wood, dull knife, grab a mug, and fix bayonets, bayonet facts, attaching belt clips. So you know what? Hey, little instruction manual for what we got inside the box. So let's take a look. So here's what we've got. Looks like we've got 3 knives in here. Take a look at this guy first. Got a little unwrapping to do. So it's like a double-edged dagger-style boot knife. Got a polymer handle on it. Nice edge on it. And of course, nice little belt sheath to go with it. It looks like we've got a set of twins for this one. 1 and 2. Set that aside. Take a look at this one here. I believe they're very similar looking. Yep. They are the same knife. So we've got 2 little boot knives in there. That is a belt clip that I assume is going to go with the largest of the 3 knives. So I'm going to go ahead and set the box aside. So in the Scimitar pack here, we've got a large knife. Looks like it's got a bayonet connector on it. Let's go ahead and take it out. There we go. So this is a, gosh, it's got to be close to about a 9-inch blade on it. You know, more of like a survival knife / bayonet. And talks about the bayonet in the instructions here. Nice saw up on top. Pry hole. Ooh, good edge on it. So yeah, so that's it. That's the Scimitar box. I do like the sheath on this. It's a nice polymer sheath. Got the nylon strap. Snap going to hold it in place. And it's all set up for that belt clip that it comes with. Put that on there. Strap that on your belt, and you're good to go. So yeah, nice little knife set. So that is the Scimitar box from Alpha Outpost. So hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I've got lots more to come, and we'll put these to good use. We do a lot of camping, hiking, things we're out, you know, cutting wood, and you know, where you would find yourself in a situation where you're using a survival style knife. I might see how the bayonet setup looks on one of my rifles. Hey, you never know. I'll put that on a video here pretty soon. But yeah, there it is. That's the Scimitar box from Alpha Outpost. Hope you enjoyed this little quick unboxing. I'm going to get some good use out of these things, have some fun with it, and put a follow-up video up eventually. But that's it for now. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. If you have any questions about Alpha Outpost, you can check out links to their website, Facebook, Instagram page. They're going to be down below in the comments. But yeah, check them out. They're a monthly subscription. You can buy them 1 box at a time, 6 months at a time, or just turn on the subscription. And they're always sending out really neat, well thought out outdoor equipment. You know, I mean, all kinds of things. I've seen the dry bags of hammocks, watches, knives, axes, things like that. So they really take into good consideration the things that people are really going to use that are going to be a unique, high quality, and interesting outdoor equipment. And the Scimitar box is no exception to that. So check them out, alphaoutpost.com. Like I said, I'll put the links in below, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to have more unboxings from Alpha Outpost, plus more reviews on products, outdoor gear, firearms, lots of stuff. So appreciate your time. Like I said, questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. That's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.